So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to set up and install Vizio 2.1 Soundbar, subwoofer pairing, arc and optical. So step 1 is position the device. Place the soundbar directly under the center of your TV screen. Make sure the bar is at ear level when you sit down. Do not block the TV remote sensor at the bottom of your TV. Place the subwoofer on the floor near a wall or corner for better bass. Second step is connect the audio cable. Option 1 is HDMI arc. Find the port labeled HDMI arc or eARC on the back of your TV. Plug one end of your HDMI cable into the TV port and plug another end of the HDMI out arc port to the soundbar. B option is digital optical. Pull the plastic cap off both ends of the optical cable. Plug one end into the optical out port on your TV. Push the other end into the optical in port or your soundbar until it clicks. Third step is connect power and sync. Plug power cord into the soundbar and subwoofer. Connect both power cord to the wall outlet or surge protector. Turn on the power switch located on the back of the subwoofer. Check the light on the back of the subwoofer. A solid light indicates successful pairing with the soundbar. Fourth step is turn on the system. Turn on your TV. Press the power button on the Vizio soundbar or its remote. Press the input button on the soundbar remote until the light indicates the correct connection, HDMI or optical. The soundbar will scan for an active signal and play the TV audio. Fifth step is change your TV setting. Press the menu or setting button on your TV remote. Go to the audio or sound menu. Find TV speakers and switch them to off. Find digital audio out and change it to PCM or bitstream. Thanks for watching.